Hello, Professor. My name is Khushbu Patel, and I'm doing my visual schedule presentation. So I'll begin with the where I can place this. So I'll place when I'm in the classroom or in the childcare facility. I'll place this under the whiteboard on the child eye level, so they can easily watch and they can easily get access through it. So this is just a construction paper and I place the real kids pictures on it. But when I'm in the classroom and everything is open up, then I'll do with the lamination and I'll put the magnet on the back, so I can easily change and easily kids can play around with it. Now I'll go with the topic like why I choose this. So I choose this schedule because this day can open up for 12 hours. It's open at 6 o'clock in the morning and it goes up to the 6 o'clock in the evening. And it's having a good interval time between the meals. It's like have 3 snacks and 1 lunch time, and it goes according to the CCEYA schedule. And I'll say the nap time. Yeah, the nap time is proper 2 hour, and it's having a washroom time and washroom time, yes, and the cleanup time. And the best part I love about this schedule is it's having a snack time at the end. So before the center is over, before the kids go home, they have a quick snack, so they don't go home hungry. They have something and then they go home. So that's why I choose this schedule. So and now I'll move forward to this like how this support the children, the how visual schedule support the children. So I can say like it gives you it gives the children a flexibility, and it gives easy transaction for each and every activities. It's provide another channel like kids can learn, they can watch, they can relate with the words, so that's how they can learn. The other reason is it's sorry for a second. And children can see and the picture with the plan activity, so they can relate the picture with the words, and they know what is coming next, so they will not find difficulty. I like to provide some example, how it benefit the children. So when the weather is not favorable and the children cannot go out for the activity, the visual schedule simply interchange with the indoor activities. So the educator can pretend, or the educator just educate the children like how is the weather. So today it's look cloudy. I think when we are going outdoor time, it will be raining. So what will be the plan? What we can do the next? And that's how we can take kids suggestions, and we can ask kids what they want to do. If it's the entire day it's raining, then we can ask children's choice how they can change the outdoor activities that with some exercise or with the yoga. So according to the kids suggestion, we can just simply have this and we can place it over it, so they knows about it. Like today is not the outdoor time, so it's because of the rain or because of the heavy snow, so they will have some yoga, or in the second break they will have some exercise. So kids knows what they are going to do next and what will be the coming, so it will not give them sudden shock like, oh, we are not going outdoor. It will give them a time to do the easy transition. And the kids, yes, and the visual schedule help also the new immigrants who have English as a second language, or English is completely new language for them. So they can at least see the picture. So kids are sitting in the circle, so maybe they can think about it, they all come together, they all sit together, and maybe the learning time. So slowly they can relate the activities with the words. And we can also ask the parents like how you say in your language what is circle time, and we can put one more language in underneath, so kids can relate, kids can learn, and kids can familiar with the English and with their own language too. And it also helped with the special need kids, or with the ADHD and different learning abilities, can be benefit from the visual schedule. They also know what is coming next, and they can emotionally prepare for upcoming events. So yeah, it definitely help the ADHD and the special need children. So Let me see. I hope I covered all the points. I think I covered all the point, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.